I will show you my lingerie collection. First, here.
How do you wear it?
I wear this like this.
Dili makita ang kanang forest?
No, the forest will be kaingin. Yeah, like this when I'm so sensitive with my kuan. I will just wear this when I don't feel like I'm so sexy today. So just wear this. It's see-through.
Ah, okay.
Okay. This is when I don't have available katol in my home. I will just wear this because it's a musket.
Oh.
It's a double purpose.
Then pwede po na nimo siya ikuan sa lubi, ma'am. Kanang magtuno ka.
Yeah.
Salaan.
Yeah, salaan. Like the one you like that.
Yes.
So this is all my collections. If you want this one, just PM me and I will give away all of this.
Ah, dato kayo ka, ma'am.
And also this, this is from America, but I will just sell this for 99 pesos because I don't need it anymore. I just wear this once, or I didn't even try.
Hala, nice. Lagi na siya, ma'am.
Where?
Flower.
Do you want this flower?
Oh my gosh, it's 19 pesos.
I will just wear this when it's New Year. It's polka dot.
Ma'am, when you wear it, then you're not going to wash it, then you hang it again? You're not washing it?
I'm not washing my clothes because I have so many very clothes. So I will. So many watching. So many watching us because I did a garage sale because my closet is help me.
Iso
Is
puno
na.
Decluttering.
So, I'm decluttering all the mabaho clothes.
Ma'am,
Don't touch that because I didn't wash this. After I used this, I didn't wash. I just hung it there. Oh yeah, the fish is super.
I
The
heard-
bagoong.
excuse me, ma'am. I heard you have wedding gown collection. Can you show me?
I have so many wedding gowns. Like you have for the bride, for the ninangs, for the grooms, for everyone. Yeah, come here.
That's modern barong.
Yeah, this is what I like for my wedding, but I don't have wedding. But I want to collect like this because when the time comes, I will invite everyone. They will have free clothes. This is so cute. Like I ordered
For
this.
ninang.
Yeah, I ordered this in Japan.
Oh, made in Japan. Wow.
This is made in Philippines.
Ooh, abaka.
Made in China.
China.
Made in Korea.
Alice go.
Korea.
Korea.
Made in Korea. 안녕하세요. Opa. Opa. Ganun tayo. It's all my natural color. Everything in here is customized. Everything in here is customized by my designer. No, don't show the price because the price will price. Yeah, this is from my designer.
I want you to wear it. Can you try it?
This is not my size.
Wow.
This is not made for me, but I
Look at the details.
yeah, the detailing of this.
Is this a
It's
true diamond?
Michael Cinco.
Ah, Michael
Yeah.
Dostra na siya.
But when you use this, you have so many boobs so that it can occupy the space.
The gap between
Yeah.
us.
Because if you wear this that you don't have boobs, it will like that. Oh.
Pagpaalam na bi kay mang nanaw tagtarong day.
Bye guys. See you on my next vlog.